everyone, welcome again. Today I am teaching 80s floral nail design step by step guide. Let's talk about step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a black nail polish. Step number 2. Using a small nail art brush and a red nail polish. Roughly draw a circle on your nails. These will become your retro flowers. Step number 3. Using the same nail art brush and bright nail polish, draw additional flowers shape. Let's move to step number 4. Using the same tool, add a neon green nail polish and small leaves by laying a brush down close to the flowers. Let's move to step number 5. Using the nail art brush and a black nail polish, place small dots inside your nails, the flowers and the red flowers. Step number 6. Using the same tool and nail polish, fill in the center of the pink flowers with a large black circle. Let's move to step number 7. Using a thin nail art brush and a light blue nail polish, draw dots in any empty areas of your nails. Step number 8. Remove all the extra nail polish on your fingers of a screen. And step number 8. Finally apply a top coat on your nails and seen in the design. Thank you.